Hey everybody, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're heading underground for a close-up look at some of the tiniest but mightiest heroes of the plant world. Get ready to explore the amazing world of beneficial microbes.
I'm excited to dive in.
We'll be focusing on two superstars of soil health, Bacillus subtilis, a bacteria, and Trichoderma, which is a fungus. Now I know what you might be thinking. Bacteria and fungi, aren't those germs?
Well, yeah, some bacteria and fungi can be harmful, but these two are definitely on the good guys team.
Yeah, they're like the unsung heroes working behind the scenes to keep our plants healthy and thriving. So let's start with Bacillus subtilis. What makes this bacterium so special?
Well, one of the most impressive things about Bacillus subtilis is its toughness. It can form these incredible structures called endospores. They're like tiny little survival pods that allow it to withstand some pretty extreme conditions.
So it's like it has its own personal suit of armor, protecting it from things like drought or heat.
Exactly. It can even survive in the presence of some pretty harsh chemicals.
Wow, that's hardcore. But Bacillus subtilis isn't just tough. It's also incredibly beneficial to plants, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's a powerhouse when it comes to plant growth. It produces
Yeah.
a bunch of different plant hormones. These hormones act like a natural fertilizer, stimulating growth and helping plants reach their full potential.
So it's like it gives the plants a little extra boost.
Yeah. And it's not just about providing a growth spurt. Bacillus subtilis is also like a master chef in the soil.
Like a chef.
Yeah. It breaks down complex nutrients, making them easier for plants to absorb.
Oh, so it's like it preps the food for the plants so they can easily digest it.
Exactly. It's all about making those essential nutrients readily available.
That's amazing. So it's like a fertilizer and a chef all rolled into one tiny package.
And there's even more. Bacillus subtilis also helps strengthen plant roots.
Really? How does it do that?
It encourages the growth of bigger, stronger roots, so the plants can access even more water and nutrients from the soil.
That's incredible. Talk about a multi-talented microbe.
Oh, and don't forget, it can fight off the bad guys, too.
The bad guys, you mean like harmful bacteria and fungi.
Exactly. Bacillus subtilis produces these compounds that can actually suppress the growth of those harmful microbes.
It's like a microscopic bodyguard for the plants.
That's a great way to put it. It helps protect them from diseases and keeps them healthy.
Wow. Bacillus subtilis really is an all-star player in the world of soil health. Okay, let's move on to our other soil superhero, Trichoderma. This one's a fungus, right?
That's right, and it's a pretty unique one. It's what we call a mycoparasite.
A myco what?
A mycoparasite. It means it preys on other fungi.
Whoa. So it's like a fungus that hunts other fungi. That's wild.
I know, right? It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. And it's got some impressive weapons in its arsenal.
Like what kind of weapons does a fungus have?
Well, for starters, it can directly attack and destroy harmful fungi, using enzymes to break down their cell walls.
So it's like hand-to-hand combat in the soil.
Haha, kind of. But it also uses chemical warfare producing compounds that inhibit the growth of other fungi.
It's a full-on assault.
And it's incredibly effective. Trichoderma is a master at outcompeting and eliminating harmful fungi in the soil.
Wow. So it's protecting plants by taking out the competition. But it does more than just fight off the bad guys, right? I've heard it can actually help plants absorb nutrients better.
You're right. Trichoderma forms these close relationships with plant roots, almost like an extension of the root system.
So it's helping the roots reach out and grab those nutrients.
Exactly. It increases the surface area for absorption and helps the plant access nutrients that might have been out of reach before.
It's like having a personal shopper for the plant's roots.
I love that analogy. It's a perfect way to describe the symbiotic relationship between Trichoderma and plants.
This is incredible. It's amazing how these two organisms, a bacterium and a fungus, can have such a huge impact on plant health. And I can't help but wonder what happens when these two team up.
Now that's where things get really interesting. When Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma join forces, they create a synergistic effect that's greater than the sum of their parts.
You mean that they're even more powerful together? Tell me more.
Well, for starters, they broaden the spectrum of disease control. Bacillus subtilis is great at fighting off bacteria, and Trichoderma is a pro at tackling fungi. But when they work together, they can target a wider range of plant pathogens.
So it's like having a double layer of protection.
Exactly. They create a more robust and comprehensive defense system for the plants.
And what are the nutrient-boosting abilities? Do those combine as well?
Absolutely. Remember how Bacillus subtilis breaks down those complex nutrients? Well, Trichoderma comes in and helps the plants absorb those nutrients even more efficiently.
So it's like they're working together to create a super efficient nutrient delivery system.
Precisely. They enhance each other's strengths and create a truly remarkable partnership that benefits plants in so many ways.
This is blowing my mind. I never realized that these tiny microbes could be so strategic and cooperative.
It's a testament to the incredible power of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things.
It really makes you appreciate the hidden world beneath our feet and the amazing things that are happening down there.
Absolutely. And the more we learn about these interactions, the better equipped we are to harness their potential for sustainable agriculture.
Speaking of sustainability, it's worth noting that using these beneficial microbes is a much more eco-friendly approach than relying on harsh chemical fertilizers and pesticides.
You got it. Chemical inputs can have some serious downsides. They can pollute soil and water, harm beneficial insects, and disrupt delicate ecosystems.
Whereas these microbes are already part of the natural soil ecosystem, they work in harmony with plants and other organisms, promoting a healthy and balanced environment.
Exactly. They're nature's own solution to plant health, and they can even help improve soil health over time, making it more fertile and resilient.
It's like we're tapping into nature's toolbox for a more sustainable and harmonious approach to food production.
And that's a powerful message to carry with us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of soil and its microbial inhabitants.
Well said. And, we couldn't have dived this deep without the fantastic work of Iceni Special Branch on Instagram. Their passion and knowledge about these incredible microbes is truly inspiring.
Yes, their insights have been invaluable in helping us understand this complex world.
Absolutely. A huge thank you to Iceni Special Branch for providing such valuable information and bringing those positive vibes. Now, I know we've been focusing on Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma, but this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the amazing diversity of beneficial microbes in the soil.
That's right. There's a whole universe of fascinating organisms out there, each playing a crucial role in maintaining a healthy and productive ecosystem.
It's mind-boggling to think about the complexity and interconnectedness of this hidden world beneath our feet.
And it makes you realize how much we still have to discover and learn about the soil and its inhabitants.
Which brings us to a crucial question. What other secrets are hiding in the soil just waiting to be uncovered?
That's a question that scientists and researchers are actively exploring, and the possibilities are truly exciting. Imagine the potential for developing new and innovative solutions for agriculture, medicine, and even environmental remediation, all based on the incredible power of microbes.
It's like we're just beginning to scratch the surface of this vast and intricate world. And speaking of exploring new frontiers in our next deep dive, we'll be venturing into the fascinating realm of plant defenses. Get ready to uncover the secrets of flavonoids and other plant protective compounds, those chemical warriors that help plants shield themselves from harm.
It's a journey into the remarkable resilience and ingenuity of the plant kingdom, and I, for one, can't wait to delve into those secrets with you.
Until then, keep those brains buzzing and stay curious. See you in the next deep dive.
They create this sort of 1-2 punch when it comes to keeping those harmful microbes in check.
So it's like they're covering all their bases. One's taking care of the bacteria and the other is handling the fungi. Talk about an effective team.
Exactly. It's like they've evolved to complement each other's strengths, and it makes them far more effective than if they were working alone.
This is fascinating. It's like a perfectly coordinated defense strategy happening at the microscopic level.
And it doesn't stop there. Remember how we talked about Bacillus subtilis being like a chef preparing those nutrients for the plants?
Yeah, breaking down those complex compounds into something the plants can easily absorb.
Well, Trichoderma actually enhances that process even further.
Really? I'm all ears.
So Trichoderma, with its ability to connect so closely with the plant roots, it actually helps those roots reach out further and absorb those broken down nutrients even more efficiently.
So it's like Bacillus subtilis preps the meal, and then Trichoderma makes sure the plants can gobble it all up.
Haha. I love that analogy. It paints a perfect picture of how they work together. They're like a dynamic duo of soil health.
This is amazing. It's incredible how much we're learning about these tiny organisms and the complex roles they play in the ecosystem.
And the more we understand about these beneficial microbes, the more we realize how important they are for sustainable agriculture.
That's right. We can't forget that using these microbes is a much more environmentally friendly approach than relying on those harsh chemical fertilizers and pesticides.
Absolutely. Those chemicals can do a lot of damage. They pollute our soil and water sources, and they can even harm beneficial insects and other wildlife.
It's like we're disrupting the natural balance when we use those harsh chemicals. But with these beneficial microbes, we're working with nature, not against it.
Exactly. These microbes are already a natural part of the soil ecosystem. They help create a healthy and balanced environment for plants to thrive.
And they even improve soil health over time, making it more fertile and resilient. It's like a win-win situation for everyone involved.
It really is, and it highlights the importance of understanding and harnessing the power of nature for a more sustainable future.
We have to give a huge shout out to Iceni's Special Branch on Instagram for their incredible work in highlighting the importance of these beneficial microbes.
Absolutely. Their insights and the information they share have been so valuable. They're really helping to educate people about the power of these natural solutions.
Their passion is contagious, and their work is a great reminder that we can all play a part in creating a healthier and more sustainable world. And while we've been focusing on Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma today, we can't forget that these are just two examples of the incredible diversity of beneficial microbes found in soil.
That's right. There are countless other microorganisms out there, each with their own unique abilities and roles to play in maintaining a healthy ecosystem.
It's like an entire universe beneath our feet, full of these tiny organisms working together to support life as we know it.
And the more we explore this world, the more we realize how much we still have to discover and learn.
It's truly awe-inspiring, and it makes me wonder what other secrets are hidden in the soil just waiting to be uncovered.
That's a question that scientists around the world are trying to answer, and the potential is limitless. Imagine the new discoveries and innovations that await us.
It's exciting to think about all the possibilities. And speaking of exciting discoveries, get ready to delve into another fascinating realm in our next deep dive. We'll be exploring the world of flavonoids and plant protective compounds. These compounds sound like they're straight out of a science fiction novel. They're like tiny warriors protecting plants from all sorts of dangers.
It's true, and they're incredibly diverse. There are thousands of different flavonoids, each with its own unique structure and function.
Wow. So tell me, what exactly do these flavonoids do? How do they protect plants?
Well, they have a wide range of abilities. They can act as antioxidants, protecting plants from damage caused by free radicals. They can absorb UV radiation, shielding them from the harmful effects of the sun. And some flavonoids even have antimicrobial properties, helping to defend against infections.
So they're like multi-purpose protectors. That's amazing.
They really are. And they're also responsible for many of the vibrant colors we see in plants.
Wait, really? So those beautiful flower petals and colorful fruits are actually signs of the plant's defense mechanisms at work.
Exactly. Those colors aren't just for attracting pollinators, they're also a way for plants to protect themselves.
That's incredible. I never realized there was so much going on beneath the surface.
It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises and that there's always more to learn.
And it's not just plants that benefit from flavonoids.
Yeah.
We do too when we eat them.
Absolutely. Flavonoids are found in a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods.
So all those colorful fruits and veggies we're supposed to be eating are actually good for us in more ways than one.
That's right. The flavonoids they contain can provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help protect our cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
It's like we're borrowing the plant's defenses to boost our own health.
I love that way of thinking about it. It really emphasizes the interconnectedness between plants and humans.
Well, this has been an absolutely incredible deep dive. We've explored the fascinating world of beneficial microbes, learned about their amazing teamwork, and discovered the power of plant protective compounds.
And we've only just scratched the surface. There's still so much more to uncover and explore in the realm of soil health and plant defenses.
It's a reminder that the natural world is full of wonders, and that we can learn so much from observing and understanding the intricate systems at play.
And a big thanks again to Iceni's Special Branch on Instagram for sharing their knowledge and passion for these topics.
Yes, their insights have been invaluable. They're truly doing amazing work in educating people about the power of nature and the importance of sustainable practices. So to everyone listening, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those minds curious. The world is full of fascinating discoveries just waiting to be made. And that's a wrap for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another adventure into the incredible world of plants and soil.